something that we've been trying to do more of is have people over for Sunday lunch or Sunday supper. And with Easter around the corner and spring just ready to pop, I thought it would be fun to do a simple Easter spring tablescape. Nothing too fussy, nothing too fancy, but using what you have, maybe using some family pieces or using some pieces that you got at a thrift store or an estate sale. So I'm gonna sort what I have and then kind of mix and match and see what I come up with. So as you can see, I've set the table. I'm missing a centerpiece, so I still need to do that. And I had these vintage dishes. I really, really like them. And they're perfect for spring, but they just didn't go with what I have. So to make this work, I love the silver. I would have incorporated some pink glassware, maybe some pink glasses, and I would have had white plates. And my preference, as you'll see, is just more white and then accenting with different things. So like I said, I used what I have, and now I'm gonna go make the centerpiece. This is 3 bouquets of tulips. The yellow ones are from Harris Teeter and the white ones are from Lidl. The yellow ones were 5 in a bunch, and I believe the white ones from Lidl were 10. I will say the ones from Lidl look a little bit more older. They don't look quite as perky. But I think this total bouquet was $10. I did use a vase that I already had. This was from an estate sale, and what I like about it is it narrows at the top, which is what you want for tulips, because I actually like when they fall over, but I know some people like them to be more straight up and down, but I want them to be really close at the top, so then they'll really cascade. So I'm gonna put this on the table, and I think I'm gonna put a wreath around it, something unique and different. And one thing I did read about tulips is that they like really cold water. I did put a penny in here, but the penny may not be 100% copper, so we'll see how that goes. And they don't play well with other flowers, so I just left it with tulips. I had thought about doing a food board, sort of like a grazing board, a snack board, but I realized I don't have the right equipment. So the largest platter that I own is more of this bread basket. This would be great, but it's still not big enough. And I have this platter, but again, it's not big enough. I have some nuts and some other things that I was gonna put in some white bowls, and the bowls took up the whole platter. So I'm gonna have to go on the hunt for something bigger. I even was gonna map it out. So stay tuned, I'll come back with some ideas for a grazing board. But that would be fun to add to a little party, something that you could have out and people could nibble on. I had some crackers, olives, jalapenos, fruit, just some really healthy things. It's easy for people to eat with their fingers, so more to come.